All right, today is March 31st. I hear we have some mail outside. The mail truck just came. Let's go check it out. I think we might have a ballot in here, maybe. Let's see. Oh, we got some ballots. We're going back in. And here's how we do it. Fresh off the press, right out of the mailbox. Here we go. All right, time to vote. Let's go. We're gonna open up the envelope. Here's our envelope. We have our return envelope. We have our directions right here. And then we have our ballot right here. So I'm gonna open up the ballot. There's our candidates for Delegate Assembly and for Secretary Treasurer. I'm just going to fill in the entire box as the directions say. We don't want to do a check or an X. We want to fill in the entire square completely. So I'm going to do that only for me. And I want to do this in blue or black ink or in pencil. Okay. Now I'm going to make my vote for Secretary Treasurer, and then I'm going to put it in the envelope. Okay. Now I'm going to detach this part of the ballot. So I'm going to take this part off right here. Okay, so now I've taken this piece off. I have my ballot right here that I voted for Secretary Treasurer and for myself for Delegate Assembly, and I'm going to put it in this envelope right here. It does not require any postage, so I'm going to put that in this envelope right now before I forget, because I'm not going to forget. Okay, so that goes in the envelope. And I'm gonna go put this back in the mailbox, and we're all set to go. All right, we're walking back out to the mailbox. Here we are. Nice, beautiful day out here. We're gonna take our ballot. Our nice sealed ballot. We're gonna put it right back in the mailbox. That took about 5 minutes, not even. We're gonna raise the flag for the lovely mailman that comes, and that's it. Thank you, everybody, for your support in this campaign. Remember, just vote for John. Let's do this. Get your ballots in the mail today. Don't wait. Fill them out, put them in the mail, and let's do this.